Gulfcraft is one of the world's premium yacht and boat manufacturers who take pride in crafting memorable experiences on water. Gulfcraft delivers unique experiences through modern technology and with a focus on design. The challenge. The challenge from Gulfcraft was simple. The systems in place did not operate in real time, and the supply chain was not optimized, which can have effects on timing, costs, and customer satisfaction. Gulfcraft wanted to take control of these three pillars of their business. Gulfcraft wanted an all-in-one solution, especially for shop floor inventory management, to make sure the perfect product was delivered in the right time to their clients. The solution: a new automated platform and a mobile application created by Focus. This gave them real-time inventory from the shop floor and helped in decision-making by organizing, analyzing, and generating reports directly from the Focus ERP. Results: Gulfcraft ended up with a new mobile application, solving the complex inventory and supply chain problem of the shop floor. This ensured timely delivery of projects, reduced cost, and most importantly, provided a better customer experience. Focus Softnet offers companies like Gulfcraft AI-powered automation. Bring your business data to life through voice-activated commands, reporting, data entry, and tasks powered by voice. Fast implementations and hundreds of integrations.